Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling kitchen carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Seville Classics Rolling Oval Kitchen Island Cart with storage. Upgrade your kitchen with this Classics Rolling Kitchen Cart. It is made with 2 inches thick strong bamboo that is resistant to scarring and cuts. The collector bowl is also made of stainless steel that is easy to clean. It has also S-hooks that you can hang kitchen utensils, washcloths, kitchen towels and other items. It is made with 2 shelves where the top tier is 12 inches tall and the bottom tier is 17 inches tall. The tiers can hold up to 75 pounds of weight and can be used to store onions, potatoes, bags of rice etc. The whole unit comes with a 1-year warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Winsome Wood Jonathan Kitchen Cart. The Jonathan Kitchen Cart is made to be durable and handsome. It will help you to add more space to keep your kitchen items as required. With its 2 slatted shelves, you can store your kitchen tools such as serveware, utensils, mixing bowls etc. It also has a drawer that has wood handles and you can keep accessories and silverware. You can roll the cart more easily and it is furnished with a locking at the wheels. It has a tabletop size of as 39.3 inches width and 18.9 inches diameter. The slanted shelf measures 21.8 inches width by 12.4 inches diameter. At number 3, we have the SONGMICS Vintage 3-Tier Kitchen Cart on Wheels. Let your kitchen have a modern atmosphere with this SONGMICS kitchen cart because it makes the room look beautiful. The 2 shelves are made with metal grate making them strong and firm and can hold kitchen accessories such as tableware and cookware. It is made with 4 rolling casters that make the cart to move at any place that you want and also it will protect the floor from scratches. Each shelf has a loading capacity of up to 350 pounds, making it perfect for placing heavy and bulky items. You can place this kitchen cart at your living room, kitchen or any other place whenever you require extra organization. At number 2, we have the lettere 3-Tier Kitchen Storage Island Trolley Cart, Silver. This kitchen storage cart is a perfect solution in your office, home or kitchen whenever you want to have more storage space. It features 3 racks that are made of strong metal and it will prevent the items from sliding on the ground. It is also made of 2 S-shape hooks that can be used to hang some small gadgets. The trolley cart is made with 4 rolling swivel casters that will ensure mobility of the cart whenever you want it to be placed to another location. You can also remove the casters and you put the 4 adjustable leveling feet. It has a load capacity of 66 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the LANGRIA 3-Tier Microwave Oven Rack Shelving Unit, Ivory White. This is one of the best kitchen trolleys that you need to have in your home. It features 3 metal mesh racks that have a cross rod that will prevent the items from falling out in the ground. It has a load capacity of 55 pounds, hence you can store food, groceries, kitchen supplies, files on this ivory white kitchen trolley. It is perfect for your office, laundry room, bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom. The rolling cart will help you to organize the item and the room will look tidy all the time. It is odorless, harmless and non-toxic and will give you extra benefits against corrosion and rust and it is easy to clean. Its color will complement well with any room. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.